It's now 1 o'clock. It's after lunch. We have started we started this morning on our solar install project. Yeah, but anyway, so we're gonna bring this one up to the ceiling. We're gonna drill holes and we're gonna put them secured to the floor and put on the railings and things like that. I'm quite excited to see how it's gonna be. And we have come this far. This is Rommel is the guy. He welded the brackets for us earlier. Like I said, this is in a 17-degree angle facing the sun up there, and we have then one row here which is going to be holding 6 solar panels. 1, 2, yeah. And normally it's just 2 brackets holding one top and one bottom. That is what the normal install have, but I like to put one in the middle. You know, here in Philippines there is typhoons and there is really strong wind sometimes, so I don't like my panels to fly away. So yep, we will put on those. And what we use to secure them to the ground is this one. This is a solid concrete ceiling roof, so it's easy to put. Just drill a hole and knock them down and then just tighten them. So we have 4 in each of the what do you call them? What happened is that we installed that one and that one on the, and then we measured the distance between, and then we found out how far they should be spaced each. But there's something wrong with the calculator, I think, because I don't know if you can see this one, and then a small, and a bigger one. So yeah, it's okay. It's not a big issue, but yeah. So that's the only problem, and we had some problem fitting one of the bolts because we weren't accurate when we drilled the hole. You know, it's easy to slide off a little bit, and then yeah. And I bought this one. That is for the securing the L brackets to the steel railings. I bought them in rust-free steel, M6 bolts. And I also had, we had silicone. We drilled the hole and then we put a lot of silicone before we put railings on, racks or whatever you call it, and we tighten the bolts. And I'm gonna later go through and have silicone all the way around and also covering the bolts. And then I'm also going to cover this one with the same as this one, so just to try to stop it rusting, because here in the Philippines everything's rust quickly. And look, we have a little friend here. Oh, he looks like he's dead. Oh, no, he's not dead. Gecko, come on, run. He was sleeping. Yep, so this is the view. This is the bracket I told you about. So the solar panel will be here, and this one sticks into this aluminium and also into the aluminium of the solar panel, the frame, so to make sure it's electric contact. And this is the one for the grounding, so I'm going to have a grounding wire going all around, and then down to the ground inside my house. And I'm not really sure yet, have a ground cable going out and down in the ground outside. you shouldn't really have two groundings, but yeah, we'll see. I have to think about that one. Now it is 4:45 and the workday is over in 15 minutes, so we're cleaning up. And yeah, we have both the rows with 6 panels finished, and then we are halfway here with the 4 panels. So a couple of more hours tomorrow, we are good to go. Then we are ready to put the solar panels, but I like to go over this one a bit. There's some rust somewhere I want to repaint, and then yeah, so I want to try to really make it as rust free as possible before I put the panels on top. I think if I put a little bit extra work in painting, I don't have to go up there again next year and paint everything again, because it's things is rusting quickly down there. The humidity is there, it's about around 90%, and of course we have the sea down there. Normally it's no problem, but when there's really big storm, of course there's salty water coming up. But in general, yeah, I am happy with the work today.